Hi, my name is Victoria and I'm going to show you how to create your first blog post. So now you've set up your Workspace blog, you can create your first blog post by going to Website and Blog Posts. You'll need to click New Post over in the right hand corner, and these pages are set up very similarly to our web pages. By default, new posts will include all new posts will include one basic text editor widget in section 1. At the top of the post you can add a title, and beneath that the URL for that post will appear there. Meta keywords and meta description are important and should never be left blank. The meta keywords help to tell search engines what the topic of the blog post is. So I'm just going to add a few meta keywords now. The meta description shows on search engine result pages. This needs to be a short description telling the searcher what they can expect by clicking your link and why they should visit your blog post. If you have allowed other users to contribute to your blog, you could select their name from the drop-down lists under author here. So now you're ready to start your first blog post. To open the widget, click the Edit button. Here we can add text and do any basic styling that we want to do here. You can change the font family, font size, insert or edit links, bold, italics, or change the alignment of the text. To add more widgets, click the More Widgets button. Here you could experiment with a few different widgets. The slideshow widget, which displays an event slideshow and is great if you have a lot of images to display. Or you could use the video widget. Just copy and paste any YouTube or Vimeo URL into the box here. And here you can add an image. I'm going to add an image from the media library. To change the way this looks, you can add another section and click the Move button and drag the image into that section. Placing items in separate sections gives them a little bit more space in between each other. If you'd like to add quite a few images to your blog post, I would suggest using our storyboard feature. I would like to add more text, so I'm going to add another basic text editor to my post. Currently the post is a draft, so it cannot be seen on your site. You can set a time for this post to be published by clicking the Edit button. Currently it's set to immediately, or I can pick a future date and time and press OK. To save this version of your post, you can click Save New Draft. To preview it, you would click the Preview button and the preview of that blog post would open here. You can also delete this post in this section as well. You can select a category and add tags to your post. Tags are best described as your blog's index words. Tags are similar to categories, but they are used to describe your posts in more in-depth detail. For example, if you had a blog post on your recent trip to Europe and you had added it to a category called Travel, you might want to add tags like Europe, Spain, sunsets, or anything in particular that post is about. If done well, tags can help with easy navigation of your blog posts and help improve your user experience. Separate multiple tags with commas. Below that, you can set your feature image. The feature image will display when shared on social media, display in search result pages, and will also display in the thumbnail and view more blog styles. So I'm going to choose this image and click Set Feature Image. Now you can see the featured image has been changed. So I can preview this now, and there is our first blog post. Beneath it you can see the tags. It is under the engagement category. The author is here, and people can leave a comment if they would like to. Just going back to the blog post here, Under previous revision, if I save a new draft, now I have two versions of the same post. If you make changes and then save a draft, you can click revert and it will revert back to that particular version. You can also preview or delete these previous versions as well. Once you're ready to post, you can change your status from draft to published. Once you've done this, if you'd like to make any changes to your post, you can do so and then click Update Publish Version, and this will add any of your changes to the live post. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, send us an email at techsupport@queensberry.com.